The Committee on Ethics is a mechanism to hear complaints against members of the Senate. It is not a weapon for those who have ulterior motives and political agenda. I assure everyone here and our people that the committee will be fair and impartial. There will be no stones left unturned, but in the process, we will see to it that all rights will be protected.
We must always be guided by the principles of due process and fairness. Dapat po'y pantay-pantay po ang trato dito ng lahat. Hindi dapat mahaluan ng politika ang trabaho natin as sa committee ito. Our decisions should always be based on facts and evidence and rules. We must eliminate partisanship or personal considerations. Salamat po sa pag-convene ng committee ito. It's long overdue na po. Actually, it's 7 months na after we opened the 20th Congress.
This is the last committee to have a chair be designated, which was sometime October, no? Before that I was designated, the 2 days or 3 days before we adjourned session last October. And then when we came back and when during the resumption of session, it was already budget hearings. So for almost a month until December, budget hearings, and then came BICAM, and then we had one plenary session, but the only agenda but at that time in December was to approve the bicameral conference committee report. So there was no chance for the ethics committee to be constituted because it has to be read in plenary. You know, that's one of the requirements. So this is the only chance. Once we resume January, we're able to constitute and right away. I suggest, of course, yung in case there will be cases that will be filed, it will be on a first in, first out basis. No? Hindi po kung ano yung mainit at gusto ng iba. So first in, first out po tayo as in any other organizations or agencies.